What's good, beautiful people? You already know who it is. It's your boy, CEO of Dance Kids Online. We're right here on Nice Entertainment, live from Videographer, Pretoria. Mzansi, we are here with the legendary Ntsika. I say legendary because something happened during his set, and I want him to tell you himself. Ntsika,
oh man, King, thank you so much, King. Yeah. I'm good, and yourself?
Good.
Yeah.
I say legendary because something spectacular happened out there. Please tell the fans before I spill the tea.
So it also caught me off guard. I mean, with these moments, they are so surreal. During my performance, a couple proposed to one another, committed their love, and she said yes, and the rest is history. It was captured. I brought them on stage. I sang their song yet again, and it was just a nice moment, man. Yeah, I know.
He's such a legendary artist. The crowd was so captivated.
Bro.
They even had to redo the song all over again. It's such a beautiful thing to witness when an artist gets in touch with the couple through their music, through their art. So I just want to say congratulations to you. Apart from that, please tell us, how's the energy out there?
Bro, the energy out there is insane.
Yeah.
Like, I love how they were engaged from the first notes that I sang, and they trusted me. Music is a journey. You know, you get on stage and you want people to believe in what you are singing. You want to be believable, and when they engage and you travel with them through the melodies, it feels like a safe space. So I feel like they heard me, they listened, and I couldn't have asked for more.
Man, you guys know Ntsika from the soil.
Yeah.
I just want to talk about your own solo ambitions.
Yeah.
We see that you're still with the soil, but at the same time doing solo shows right here in Pretoria.
I'm juggling both.
So tell us, are you still going to be performing with the crew? Are you still going to be doing more solo shows? Any more projects coming up in the future? Singles, albums? Tell us everything.
It's crazy, bro. Because I just came from Durban now. We are doing the Soul Reimagine tour named after our brand new album that we just dropped in Feb. And within a week, we got 1 million streams, you know?
Wow.
So I am still part of the group. I'm not going anywhere. But of course, there are times where there is space in between, where it allows for me to also do my own thing, like coming here and performing. So there is more music from Ntsika that you guys can expect. Second solo album is loading. The music is complete. It's so amazing. But yeah, you will hear it when it drops.
Please, if you want to get Ntsika, get him right now. If you want to make sure that he is proposing, or rather he is singing to your proposal, make sure that you book him ASAP. Last but not least, please tell the people where they can find you on all social media platforms.
Of course. So Tinax is simple. There's no underscores. There's nothing. It's just at Ntsika Music across all platforms, and booking details are also there. So yeah, let's get those bookings coming.
Ntsika Music with Nice Entertainment. We are out, baby.
We out. Yo,
thank you so much,
King. Thank you so much, King. That was nice, man. That was really nice.